You need to hear this if you're a homeowner. This could save you from a disaster. I'm Cameron Brown, and this was our reality. In the middle of the night, when our 14-year-old daughter discovered a water leak in her basement bedroom ceiling, it turned out our under-counter ice maker above her bedroom had sprung a leak. Panic mode set in, but thank goodness I found Gateway Restoration. Within 30 minutes of our call, they were at our front door. They knew exactly what to do and got straight to work, cutting out the damaged drywall, ripping out the faulty ice maker, and tearing out the damaged cabinets. They didn't miss anything, cutting out more drywall behind the wet bar to gain more access to the damaged areas. Then came the fans and sealing the holes to ensure everything gets dried out properly. They hauled away all the debris and cleaned up, leaving our place spotless. Gateway Restoration was phenomenal, honest, professional, and so easy to work with. They turned our nightmare into peace of mind. If you're facing a water disaster of any kind, call Gateway Restoration. You will not be disappointed. I know we will never call anyone else.